This space race accelerated progress at an unbelievable rate. The first major breakthrough came in 1957, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. It was just a small, beeping metal sphere, but its journey around the Earth sent a powerful message. It proved that leaving our planet was possible. This event spurred the world into action, creating a focused, well-funded effort to not just send machines, but also people, into the great unknown that lay beyond our atmosphere. Following Sputnik's success, both nations worked tirelessly to achieve the next monumental goal, putting a human in space. The Soviets once again achieved a historic first. On April 12, 1961, a cosmonaut named Yuri Gagarin climbed into his Vostok 1 capsule. He launched into the sky and completed a full orbit of the Earth before returning safely. His famous words, "Poyakali, let's go," marked the moment humanity officially entered the space age. Gagarin's 108-minute flight was a triumph of engineering and human bravery. It proved that a person could survive the powerful forces of launch, the weightlessness of orbit, and the fiery heat of re-entry. The United States was quick to respond to this incredible achievement. Less than a month later, on May 5, 1961, astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space. His Freedom 7 capsule didn't go into full orbit like Gagarin's, but it was a crucial step forward for the American space program, known as NASA. These early missions were incredibly risky. The technology was brand new, and the astronauts were true test pilots, venturing into an environment we knew very little about. Every single flight taught us something new about the spacecraft, the effects of space on the human body, and the procedures needed to ensure a safe mission. These initial steps paved the way for even more ambitious goals. The ultimate prize of the space race was the moon. This led to the Apollo program in the United States. After years of development, countless tests, and immense dedication from hundreds of thousands of people, the goal was achieved. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the lunar surface. Armstrong's first step, and his words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," became an iconic moment in human history. It was the culmination of a decade of intense effort, forever changing our relationship with the cosmos. After the excitement of the moon landings, human space travel entered a new phase. It became less about winning a race, and more about learning to live and work in space for longer periods. This led to the development of space stations. These are large laboratories that orbit the Earth, where astronauts can live